What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Sun to Me by MGK. If you need the guitar tab for this song, you can find it on my Patreon. Also, if you need the guitar chords, you can find them in the ebook that's on my Patreon as well. If you need any of that, go check it out, and let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So you are going to be in drop D tuning. That's regular standard tuning, but this low E string is going to be dropped to a D note. It should match, it should be an octave lower than your high E. So if you don't have a tuner, you can just strum those two together and just match the pitch on them. Now we're starting with ring finger on the 4th fret of that low E string. Your pinky finger is going to be on the 4th fret of the A string, and your index finger is going to be on the 2nd fret of the G. And you're just plucking those 3 strings. Just 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to 2nd fret on the low E with your middle finger, 2nd fret on the low A, or on the A with your ring finger, and your index finger is on the 1st fret of the G now. And you pick the same way. So now keep that same formation and go down to the 7th fret, so middle finger 7th fret on the low E string, ring finger 7th fret on the low A, and your index finger is going to be on the 6th fret of the G, picking it the exact same way. And then open D string, open A string, and then the 4th fret on the D string, pick the exact same way. And I'm using my ring finger because right before the chorus, you'll pick that same note, the 4th fret on the G string, and then you'll pick, you're gonna use your index finger, which you can use your index and your middle if you want, but it's 2nd fret on the G string, 2nd fret on the B string, and you pick the same way. That's that little transition into the chorus. So altogether, the verses sound like, and that just repeats until that little transition into the chorus, which is, and like I said, I'm using my index finger to hold down both of those. If you wanted to, it's kind of hard to use 2 fingers. It's just easier to. And then the chorus is probably the easiest part. It's so all you're doing is, these are essentially power chords, but since you're in drop D, you only have to hold, you don't have to use 1 finger. So, and you're only playing the bottom 3 strings. So 4, you're going to use your index finger, or you can use your middle, whatever works. 4, 4th fret on all 3 strings. 7th fret on all 3. 2nd fret on all 3. Back to 4th fret. And you're just single strumming these, super easy. And if it helps you with the counting, if you count 4s, your transitions are on 1 and 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There you have it, guys. Keep practicing and you will have this song down in no time. Like I said, if you need the guitar tab, you can find it on my Patreon page. It's in the video description and it's also in the pinned comment below. If you want the ebook, Master the Guitar in 7 Days, that is also on my Patreon page as well. If you have any questions or comments, leave all that down in the comment section below. And if you have any specific tutorials you'd like me to teach, leave that in the comment section below. I'll try and get to it. If not, you can request a private one-on-one session with me where I can give you like a one-on-one tutorial with chords, tabs, all that above, all that stuff. So that's also on my Patreon page. Like I said, that link is in the video description and in the pinned comment below. I'll see you guys in the next video.